Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to be transferring my funds from my Coinbase Pro account into the new Advanced Trade by Coinbase. You're probably watching this because you've heard that Coinbase is about to phase out their Coinbase Pro product, and right now they're encouraging all their users to give the Advanced Trade a try, and if you like it, you can transfer all your funds now from Coinbase Pro and start using Advanced Trade. All the features that Coinbase Pro have is also in the Advanced Trade, and Advanced Trade actually have the DeFi reward, so you can participate in their rewards program. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you're in the home screen of your Coinbase basic account, all you need to do is click on the button on the top right and then click on Advanced Trading. So in this page, it gives you an option to see the simple view and the advanced view. All you need to do now is click on the Transfer Now button on the right. And this should bring you to your Coinbase Pro account. So if you are already in your Coinbase Pro account, you'll see that there is a banner on the top of your page. And from here, all you have to do is click on Transfer Funds. So you want to select from Coinbase Pro and to Coinbase. And just click Transfer. And here it's just telling you that your money is on the way. It might take a couple of minutes before it actually shows into your regular Coinbase account. And here it's now showing you that they are complete. So let's go ahead and go back to our main Coinbase account. So let's go home. And right now it's still showing the old balance that I have. We'll give it a couple of minutes and see how long it will take before it actually refreshes it. Let me refresh it again. Let me refresh it one more time. Okay, it's not showing yet. Let's go ahead and wait a little. Okay, so now it's showing the balance that I have actually increased. This includes all my positions. So I hope that this video helped you, and please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.